All right. The sense of freedom I feel right now is priceless. It's priceless. It's venturing on, well, I was going to say on my own, but look at all this. I'm going into hike the Presidential Range, and just leaving the Highland Center. It's the afternoon. I'm going to camp on the trail, well, off the trail tonight, and tomorrow night stay in one of the huts. I'm going to climb up these, but I just, you know, leaving it all behind. I don't know. Just committing to a couple of days in the woods or in nature. Really exposing oneself to the elements. It's funny, expose. It's really merging. I mean, it's intimacy. I'm crawling in bed with nature. We're getting in the sack the next couple of days. We're going to have a romp. And the romp's already begun. Just beautiful. So anyway, I'm recording my exuberance, my delight, my reverie. Woohoo! My free fall, my leap. Yay. Here's to beauty, intimacy, ecstasy, and adventure with the beloved in all her forms. Yay. Woohoo!